How do you choose the right CNC materials for your project? This is a very critical step throughout a project development, so we shouldn't jump to the conclusion about it. In this video, I will share some factors we need to think of to make the best selection. The first thing we need to think of is what kinds of materials. There are three categories of materials: metal, plastic, and composites. I will discuss more in the next part of the video. Let us firstly discuss about metal materials. What is the first material comes to your mind when you hear metal? I suppose that most of people will think of aluminum. Aluminum is widely used for CNC machining. It has excellent properties like a high strength to weight ratio, high corrosion resistance, and good conductors of heat and electricity. Although these properties vary depending on the exact type of alloy, outstanding machinability makes aluminum to become the most popular material from this category. The second metal material for CNC machining is brass. This material is budget-friendly with high resistance to foreign substances. In addition, it has a low coefficient of friction and low strength and is highly machinable due to its softness. Brass is suitable for producing parts used in the medical industry, surgical equipment and tools, and strings used in musical instruments. The next material from the metal is stainless steel. This material is not cheap, but it's the perfect material for aerospace and the medical industries. In the CNC machining process, stainless steel can resist corrosion unlike steel and wear and tear effectively. Lastly but not least, titanium. It is renowned for their special properties like high toughness, strength, biocompatibility. This material has low weldability, which makes it to be a good option for CNC machining. Alright, now let us move on to plastic materials. The first plastic material I would like to mention is ABS. That is an excellent choice for CNC machining. ABS is tough, impact-resistant plastic that is also resistant to chemicals and electrical currents. ABS is easy to color, so it produces good cosmetic results. Because of its versatility and strength, it's the most common plastic that we use for rapid prototyping. You will find it in automotive components, power tools, toys, and sporting goods, among many other applications. ABS is less expensive than other engineering plastics like PEEK or Autumn, but it doesn't withstand high temperatures for long periods of time. Second is nylon. Has many of the same characteristics as ABS. It has greater tensile strength, which is why we use it for fabric and rope. Nylon and ABS resins are often mixed together, along with glass fibers to enhance their desirable properties. Nylon can replace many medical parts, and because it has good surface lubrication, is used for moving gears and sliding components. One drawback to nylon is that it does absorb moisture over time, so it's not suitable for marine applications, and it can be tough on cutting tools during machining. PMMA is also a popularly used plastic to CNC machining. It is a rigid transparent resin used as a substitute for glass or when making other clear optical parts. It resists scratching, but is less impact resistant than polycarbonate. After machining, acrylic shows a haze-made surface. One thing to be aware of about acrylic is that it's easy for heat deformation, so it should be stress relieved before machining. PMMA is used for display screens, light pipes, lenses, clear enclosures, food storage, and to replace glass if strength is not an issue. While I suppose there are many more materials for CNC machining when you select them, what other options would you like to know? Please leave your messages in the comments. Also, what other topics that are interesting to you? Please also put in your comments. This is Jayden from WayKen Rapid Manufacturing. I will see you next time.